Looking for a compact pocket tool that can handle more than just cutting? Check this out. This is a 5-in-1 multi-tool pocket knife. It's designed for everyday carry, outdoor use, and emergency situations. Yeah, it's very small and lightweight. You can open with this one. Okay, this is knife. Okay, look, it's locked. You can unlock with this one, like that. Unlock. Like that, you can unlock, lock and unlock this one. Let me show you how it's sharp. Get. Oh, so sharp. Oh my god, look. Good, I like that. The blade is so sharp. And blade is stainless steel blade. It feels sharp and solid. The steel is designed to resist corrosion and keep its edge for longer use. Okay, I showed before. It's so sharp and it's stainless steel. And the other tool is this one. It's not just a folding knife. You can actually get 5 usable tools in one compact design. It includes knife, seatbelt and cord cutter, bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and multi-size range from 4 to 11 mm. The seatbelt cutter is especially useful if you have a car as a part of an emergency kit. This is useful tools for camping, hiking, road trips, everyday projects, or keeping your vehicle. I like that because it's so small, it's easy to carry. You can carry in your pocket, backpack, or your car. Look at this one, and it's so lightweight. If you want a compact multi-tool with 5 useful functions in one design, this is a great choice. Thank you for watching.